It's time you stop playing it safe and start using a real TikTok strategy instead of the tired old post every day consistently advice. That's not a strategy, that's just showing up. If you're serious about blowing up, you've got two choices: sit back and hope your music goes viral, or grab the algorithm by the throat and make it happen using these moves. But listen, some of these tactics are so effective, record labels might not be too happy about them, so use them wisely. The first strategy is about creating strategic skits, and I'm not talking about your typical cheesy acting. This is about making something that looks so real, people won't even know it's a setup. Shoot it with your phone, no filters, no edits, no fancy gear. The goal is to make your video feel like the viewer is watching something that actually happened, not a scripted scene. In the skit, you could be fighting with your girl, getting roasted by your boys for your music, or caught up in some insane situation like getting kicked out of a venue. It doesn't matter what the story is, just make sure it's connected to your song and hooks people immediately. Then, right when the moment hits its peak, flip the script. Cut to a high-quality performance or a clean, well-edited clip of you lip-syncing or performing the most fire part of your song. Don't waste time. Don't build up to it. Hit them with the catchiest, most emotional, most replay-worthy part of your track. That's the part they'll remember, and that's the part TikTok will push. This strategy works because real always beats perfect. People scroll past polished, overproduced videos all day long. But if it feels raw and unfiltered, like they just stumbled onto a moment, they stay. And when people stay, the algorithm starts working for you. That's the game. Audience retention equals reach. If you can hold them for 5 seconds, TikTok will hold them for you. Next up is the text on video game. And trust me, this one's underrated. Everyone's doing captions now, but barely anyone is doing them right. Your captions should do one thing: make people feel something. Aim for relatability. Match the text to your lyrics and to something your audience is living through. The secret sauce? Relationship drama. Always wins. And if you really want shares, write your captions from a female perspective. That's the content that goes viral. A caption like, "When he says he's not like the others," but you already know the script, hits way harder than just slapping lyrics on the screen. That kind of text makes people stop, feel, and most importantly, share. Before we get into the strategy that might make record labels sweat, let's break down the foundation of any viral moment, which is your song structure. This is where the magic starts. A viral song doesn't just happen, it's built for TikTok. You need to walk into the studio with one goal: create a moment. The most viral songs have a few key things in common. A crazy beat drop, unexpected pauses, switch-ups, glitch effects, and lyrics that punch you right in the gut or heart fast. You don't have time to tell a story in 60 seconds. You need to deliver the moment in the first few. That's the part you want to clip and use for content. The part that slaps. That's what people will use, repost, and recreate. Now here's the one that really gets controversial. The clickbait celebrity caption strategy. This one's risky if you don't do it smart, but it's powerful. If the industry won't co-sign you, co-sign yourself. Drop captions like, "Taylor Swift's sister just dropped this," or "Should I send this to Drake?" or "Metro Boomin made this beat and dipped." People will click. What makes it work is name recognition. If someone sees a familiar name, they're stopping, period. And if that person is trending that day, even better. You just piggybacked off the biggest wave of attention on the platform. If you want your music to actually move, go viral like this video. And stop playing small, then subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and let me know what you're thinking. This isn't about waiting around for a break, it's about learning how to break through. The tools are in your hands. Now go make something the algorithm can't ignore.